How to change password in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, here on the right top, tap on settings. So, we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find the option called profile. Tap on profile. So, this is the place where you can know everything about your profile. Here on the bottom, there's a password section. Tap on password. Now here you can easily change your password. First, you must enter the older password, and here you can easily customize and add new password. After doing so, simply tap on save and the password will be saved, but make sure you remember it for later. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.